Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the basics of data mining and the data mining task. Now firstly we will see the definition of a data mining and then we will see the task of a data mining in detail. So now we'll see the definition of a data mining. If we see the word, if you see the title, that is data mining, and from this title we can define the data mining in such a way that data mining is a process of mining out the data for extracting the meaningful pattern from the huge amount of data. This is what the in general definition of a data mining, but many authors has given its precise definitions. Now we will see the precise definitions of the data mining. Now data mining is also called as knowledge discovery in databases. So it is a KDD. So data mining is a method of, or it is a process of extracting the interesting pattern, and that pattern should be non-trivial, implicit, previously unknown, and potentially useful pattern or a knowledge from the huge amount of data. This is the precise definition of the data mining. Now many authors has given the alternative names to the data mining. So these names are knowledge discovery, that is knowledge mining in databases, and knowledge extraction. Then some authors has called this data mining as data or pattern analysis, then data archaeology, data dredging, information harvesting, business intelligence, and etc. So these are the alternative names are given to the data mining. Okay, now this is what the basic definitions of the data mining. Now we will see the task of a data mining. Now see, these are the tasks of a data mining, where the data mining tasks are categorized into two categories. Now the first category is predictive category and the second category is descriptive category. So into the predictive category, data mining applies the algorithms, apply the some techniques onto the available raw amount of data, and it studies the given data and generate a model from the previous data, and it predicts the value of the future data which will be given to you. So due to this reason, the predictive task of a data mining predicts the future value of the new data will be given to you based on the past data. So this predictive task of data mining is used in many areas where we can predict the classes of a particular instances, or we can categorize the persons based on their bank transaction history. Now we'll see the descriptive task of a data mining. In descriptive task of a data mining, the algorithms applied on the given data to describe the given data in a deeper and deeper level, and more characteristics of a data will be thrown out, will be extracted out, and based on this descriptive characteristics of the data, we can take some decisions, or we can have the more and more deeper level knowledge from the available data. So this is what the descriptive task of a data mining. And in this video I am going to focus on the classification task of a data mining. As we know that classification is nothing but it is the predictive task of a data mining, in which the past data is studied, and some decision tree or some model is generated from the past data by studying it or by analyzing it, and this model is used into the testing phase for predicting the class of the given instances into the particular classes or into the particular labels. So due to this reason, classification is called as a supervised learning, because it it learns from the previous data, or it learns from the past data what actually the features of the data is, and based on this experience, or based on this model, or based on this decision tree, it predicts the future value of the data into the testing phase. So classification is a two phase process. In first phase, the training will be given to the machine, and within this training phase, the machine learns from the available data, and it generate one model, it generate one decision tree, and this decision tree, or this model is used into the testing phase for the classification of the data. So in the testing phase, the model is used, and whatever the records, whatever the instances are given to you, that instances are categorized, are labeled or classified into the respective classes based on the model generated into the training phase. So this is what the classification task of a data mining. So I hope you have understood it, and here we stop. Thank you very much.